bucket list thing for me. Broc's done it a couple times. We're hiking up to grandparents' homestead where there's a little pond that we personally know that there's fish in there. But this is my last day in Alaska. I literally get on a plane tonight. So hoping that we can catch the fish to end the trip. And Broc's thinking that we might even do a catch and cook. We're looking out for moose and for bear because they're here. Alright, so we got one hole finally augered out. That was a lot harder process than I thought it was going to be. It took me, not Broc, he was just watching. It took me about 20 minutes to get this tiny little hole out. The issue we have is that we measured it, there's about 4 inches of slush that used to be ice that melted, and then the bottom layer is about 4 inches of ice as well. It took a lot to get that last 4 inches. That's the general safe ice limit. 4 inches. If you didn't know that, we looked it up before we got here. So if you want to be safe on the ice, just make sure it's 4 inches. He's got, I don't know if you can see it, he's got a little pink shrimp down there. The issue that we're having is that we fly fish from over there, and we know that this is the hole, just not sure where exactly to put our next hole. I'm kind of thinking right there, but Broc's thinking right here. Dude, got one? Oh, that's a big one! Dude! Nice! Nice, first fish. Let's go.
Alright, little buddy.
That's so sick.
Look at this guy. Beautiful.
Alright, you all right there? You can handle this?
Yeah. I got him. Alright, as we can see,
The hook's out.
we got this
Don't let him fall back in, you slippery.
We got this little slippery guy. And he looks very healthy. Little Arctic char.
Hold him up to your face.
Alright. Schmeagle. Alright, let's let him go.
That's
back
a cute
in.
little fishy.
Back you go, little buddy. Got him.
That's a big one, dude. I think we should eat one of these. Alright, so we haven't gotten a bite in like 10 minutes, which normally it would not be a big deal, but we want some fish. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna throw down, you guys, this GoPro and see if we can locate the fish and look at it kind of like, you got a fish?
Hold on. Oh, you got spooked. Don't move.
Oh, sorry. See, I'm spooking them. Anyway, gonna drop it down. Gonna see if we can see anything and kind of like the underwater terrain, see if there's a better hole. The GoPro's just what we needed. That was crazy. Oh, look at those colors. I should probably get him back. Yeah. Dispatch bits of trouts. Look at this guy! That's the big one. That's the biggest one of the lake.
Alright.
That's so cool. There's a really big fish down there. The GoPro is like literally right underneath the salmon eggs and the... Oh! Dude, got the big one? Dude, got the big one! Got him! Woo! Woo! Let's go! Oh my god. This is probably the biggest fish in the entire pond. I mean,
Look at this guy.
look at this pond. This is the whole thing. And who put fish in here? No one put fish in here. God put fish in here. Let's go.
Look at him.
We got it on the GoPro too. We should probably get him back in there though.
Yeah. And you shall be released back. O Lord of fish.
Oh, let's go.
We are not worthy.
All right, so we got the big fish. What we're gonna do is we're gonna drop another hole right next to it and then set up the GoPro footage so that like you can like see right perfectly, like horizontally, not like from the bottom looking up. So it'll take a little second because this ice is really weird. We've never like augured a hole before, but it's not supposed to be this hard, but it's gonna take me like 15 minutes to get another hole in there. But it's all so that you guys can see the action. All right, here we go.
Fishy. What you call it?
Yeah. We're gonna end the day and
Sorry.
we were gonna end the day with one last fish, but Broc just lost him. But it's starting to snow out here, and as you can see, it's getting pretty blizzardy. And I still have a flight to catch tonight.
All right. So as you can see, we got 3 holes here. We're fishing out of. We got maybe like 20, 25 fish, but it's starting to snow, and it's only going to get worse, as you can probably see up there. So we're going to call it a day, and come back next time.
We did catch that big one.
We did catch a really big one.
We're gonna measure that, but it looked like 15 inches. Great day of fishing out here. Great day.
And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you can see all our new videos.